Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria, and today is another one of our life hack videos, and I'm going to be teaching you how to wash your vacuum flask. There is a secret, there is a way to doing it, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do that today. If it's the content you would like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back, guys. So I've been getting a couple of questions on how to wash your vacuum flask. Our video on how to prep your vacuum flask, I'm going to link underneath this video. If you are getting your vacuum flask for the very first time, before you use, you're supposed to prep it in order to ensure the longevity of the flask itself. So I'm going to leave the video on how to prep it underneath this video. You're going to prep it first before you do any washing or anything of that sort. Okay, so now you are done with the prepping and you want to wash your vacuum flask. You're going to be needing lukewarm hot water. What's a lukewarm hot water? I always explain this. A lukewarm hot water is that temperature of water that is between warm and hot, that you can comfortably and conveniently dip your forefingers into without feeling any burning sensation or any pain, or without having to whip your hand out in in pain and in shock, shouting, oh my hand, my hand. At that point, you know that water is too hot. So you're going to need that. You're going to need a dishwashing liquid. You are going to need this children feeding bottle wash, whatever it's called. I'll put the name right here. You are going to need a brand new toothbrush, adult toothbrush. I will tell you what you're going to use it for later. And then you're also going to need this sponge that has a foam and this abrasive grain material underneath. So those are the five or six things that you're going to be needing to wash your flask. Now let's get on into practical. Now you're going to pour the lukewarm hot water into a clean bowl and set to the side. You're going to pour a little bit of that lukewarm hot water into the empty flask. You are going to put 2 drops of your dishwashing liquid into the flask. You are going to shake properly, shake again, shake if possible for the 3rd time, and you are going to let the flask sit for 15 minutes so that the dishwashing liquid can do its job and try to shake free any dirt or grease. So after that, you're going to take this feeding bottle brush with a long hand. You are going to open up the flask, keep the cover here, the cap here, and you are going to vigorously wash the feeding bottle. You're going to insert the brush and wash this way. Try to scrub. You turn like this to wash the bottom properly. Wash properly, and then with that foam and the sponge, you pour the salts and the water onto it. You make it foam, and then you use it to wash the exterior of the hot water flask. Use it to wash the cover of the hot water flask, and you also use it to wash the inner cover of the hot water flask. Now you're going to put some more warm water on that new toothbrush you got. You're going to add a little bit of dishwashing detergent on it, and you're going to use it to wash the sides, those little places on this particular inner cover. See the way I'm washing it? You're going to wash it like that to get rid of any debris built up around it. Wash it properly, wash everything, and then you are going to rinse this with the lukewarm hot water. Rinse about 2 to 3 times, and after that you are going to turn upside down to dry before you use, either for the first time or before you continue using. Now I have a second video where I talked about how to, prep your flask, and also how to maintain using your flask by not pouring hot water directly into the flask. I gave 3 tips in that video. So I have 2 videos up already on how to use your hot water flask. I'm going to leave those videos linked in the description box underneath this video. Go watch those videos and learn tips and snippets on how to properly use your hot water flask so that they don't go bad in this economy. One hair's flask now, you know how much it's going for. So don't spoil your flask, guys. So there you have it, guys. Just simple, easy how to wash your flask. I've been getting a lot of questions on this, so I just wanted to show you how to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have you subscribed? I hope you have. If you got up to this point, please subscribe, and I will see you in our very next video next week. Bye, guys.